This is the only one Lumen5 tutorial you need to start with. Hello everybody, my name is Ilya, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily start with Lumen5 online video creator. They provide us the opportunity to create videos from scratch with the templates according to our text. So it's pretty interesting software, so let's try to discover how can we use it. So here we are on lumen5.com. If you are new to this service, you can just simply click on sign up free. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on log in, and as you can see, we can easily log in with Facebook, or you'll have to create an account with the email, and we'll come to this page here where we can have a small menu in the left side: all videos, instant videos, brand kits, save templates, analytics, trash, and so on. So from the all videos folder, we can easily interact with all videos we successfully created. Also in the right side, we can upgrade our plan or manage our account information. But basically all the other folders, if you are new, will be empty. As you can see, all of them are empty. It will be helpful if you work with Lumen5 a little bit longer. So let's try to create our first video. Let's go to all videos folder, and we'll click on this purple button like new video. And all we need now is just to select the necessary template we are going to use. They have a lot of different templates divided into different categories in the left side. As you can see, we can show more categories to show more templates we can easily use. In my case, I'm going to use something which is interesting as for you, as for me, basically. So let's try to find something about the AI technology related to AI. Maybe this one here. I think this one looks pretty good. So from this page, we can easily change the format from horizontal to vertical if it's necessary, as for you to create a video maybe for, I don't know, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and so on. Or maybe for Instagram posts, it will be necessary to use like a squared template. So I'm going to use the horizontal one because, as for me, this is the best variant. I'm going to create video for my YouTube channel, for example. Let's click on use this template, and all we need now is just to wait until everything is done, and we'll come to this page. Basically, this is our editor. We have a story area where we can add the script to make it easier to create a video. So I asked ChatGPT to write the article about ChatGPT. So I'm going just to copy it and use a small part from this. So I'm going to paste. And as you can see now, all we need to do is just to click on convert to video in the bottom of the screen. As you can see, every single part was detached into different articles. We can easily create a new article by simply placing our mouse right up here and then just click on enter or return to create one more slide with this text here. So it's pretty cool. Also, we can use AI to generate a summary if it's necessary, and then let's click on convert to video. And all we need to do now is just to wait, because it may take a little time. It depends on their server's capacity, depends on our internet connection, and so on. So as you can see, the process began, and all we need to do now is just to wait until everything is done. So I'm going to pause my video. So it took about 1 minute to create this sense. As you can see, the process is still running, but now we can find all the basically first scenes at least, and we can start to interact with. Basically, I wanted to show that we have a lot of media content here, so all of them are free. Maybe not every single template, but we can still use. As you can see, we have a library where we can search for different photos and videos. For example, let's try to find something related to AI, and we'll try to use it as for us. So it's pretty cool. We also can switch to GIFs, our uploads, so we can upload our own media, like videos, photos. Also, we can use a recent folder to find some recent usages. So we'll come to AI area. We can find that we have some related things here. So for example, I'm going to use this one. all we need to do is just to drag and drop it into the necessary position. So now, as you can see, our video was successfully changed. Also, we have the icons area where we can use different icons, but they are available only on the starter plan and higher. So we can discover the paid plans a little bit later. Pretty cool. Also, the music area where we can add different background music. All of them are free from different stocks, or we can upload our own music right up here. And the style, from this page we can easily customize our color palette if it's necessary, so we can easily try to click and then just maybe to change something. But as you can see, custom styling is available on the starter plan, so we have a lot of restrictions with a free plan we are using right up now. So if you're going to work with our slides, we can find also some things we can easily manage. Firstly, we can leave a comment. If you're working in a team, we can switch between we can drag the slide maybe to the next part, or make it up, make it down. We can duplicate send, or we can delete this slide. Also, we can add the subtitle if it's necessary. To interact with our text, all we need to do is just to click on this object here, and as you can see, it was successfully selected. And now we can interact with this stuff, but not with every single send. Basically, sometimes it could be really hard to add. For example, here we can add a new text, so we can easily click on plus and then just add something. To interact with the video, we can just simply also click, change the brightness, trim this video, we can crop. We can also add the AI suggested media if it's necessary, or we can delete this part here. So we can also change the duration of every single slide. We can make it like 5 seconds, 4, 3. We can click on preview to view how does it look like. So it looks like this, basically, nothing changes. So we can make it like even 2 seconds long. We can also swap design if it's necessary, so it's pretty like cool, but we still have the opportunity to switch between different options of design. So let's try to use maybe this one here. So if you're going to click, in a few seconds our design will be successfully changed. And we can also shuffle different colors to change the colors. So it may take a little time, maybe their servers are under capacity now, so it doesn't work that like clean as it should be. So this is the options we can interact with our slides. If you click on publish, then we can just easily publish our video. It may take also a little time. I don't know why, but today they're working like not that good. So as you can see, we can upgrade to remove Lumen5 credit scan, because they already like adding something like watermark or something like this. And we can see the message, your video is now rendering. This is a preview, so it also may take a little time. If we'll discover the paid plans, we can see that we have like basic, starter, or professional plans, $19, $59, and $149. If you're going to pay early, if you're going to pay monthly, the prices will be higher. So this is a way of how can we use Lumen5 from scratch. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Wish you a very good day. Goodbye.